Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got a Diamond Art Club unboxing for you. And look at who it is. Oh my god, is she not beautiful? So this is Charmed by Myka Jelina. Now this was one of their anniversary kits that they had. And oh my gosh, it was like, well, I just got this kit today. Today's June the 3rd. So, yeah. But I'm so excited. I want to get into it. So, this was Charmed. And she is a 65 centimeter by an 86.9 centimeter. On the side of the kit, you can see it has all the info, has 42 colors, 2 ABs, 1 iridescent, 2 fairy dust, with a total of 91,089 drills. Yeah, okay. I was looking at the bottom, or those two too. I thought it said something else. Alright, so on the back of the box, you have got the how it works, which is just how to diamond paint for for somebody who's never done it before. Here is your kit contents. It tells you everything that's in the box. Here's all of the info, all that good stuff. This box is a big one. All right, and then here is another little thumbnail. So this is a square. And let me get my box cutter. So this shows you that it is a square. Y'all, I am so excited. I don't even know what my words are. Alright, let's get into it. Y'all, I was so scared when I seen this one. I was like, oh my god, I have got to have this one. And I sat there. I had everything ready 15 minutes before time that they were going to drop these. And I was just like, oh my god, please, please, please let me be able to get it. Let me be able to get it. And I did. I got it. I was so excited. Alright, so this is one of their new boxes. So this whole thing just slides off. Which I probably didn't even have to do that because I can open this from the bottom. Which is what I'm going to do. Oh, and looky. It even has a picture of it on the end. So that when you are putting these in your storage, you can see what it is. And then here's this. You know what? I'm going to just put that right back on because there was no reason for me to take that off. Okay. Alright, so you can see it comes in another part of a box. It has got the your diamond painting is in this plastic dust bag. And it has Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. So the bag is branded. So down in the bottom of the bag, you have got your thank you, which should have your stickers, all that in there. Here's your toolkit. And let's go ahead and open this up and let it be flattening out. So how many of y'all waited up? I'm Central Time, so the drop was at 11 o'clock at night for me. So yeah, I was like not even going to go to bed. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, she's so pretty. Oh, look at these drills. Okay, so this is my color palette, y'all. Look at the purples and the teals and the pinks and the whites, blacks, blues, silver. This is my colors. This is why I was so excited about this canvas, is because of the color palette. Of course, if you have been following me, yeah, I'm trying to just roll this back a little bit so I help it flatten out. You know that I am a huge Myka Jelina fan. Like, huge. Like, the very first canvases I ever purchased from DAC were Myka Jelina, the Serafina. That was my very first big canvas from them. And I have been a fan of Myka Jelina's ever since. I wish I had all of them. I don't. But I have a lot of them. So you can see that this is a very soft, short length canvas. It is scalloped and serged. That keeps it from fraying. We have the Do What Makes You Sparkle Diamond Art Club up here at the top. We have got, this thing is so big, y'all. Alright, so we have got a schematic up here on the top left, down on the bottom right. Y'all, sorry about all the flipping and the flopping, but this thing is bigger than my table. So down here on the bottom left hand side, you've got a thumbnail. You've got the canvas number, the name of it, which is Charmed. You've got the dimensions in inches and centimeters. The artist, which is Myka Jelina. You've got all their socials in the middle, and then you've got their guarantee. So, y'all, did y'all get your canvases? If anybody stayed up and got the anniversary canvases that they dropped, did y'all get the ones you wanted? I hope so, because it's so depressing when you don't get it, and it's depressing when you have to wait and wait and wait. And y'all, I still have stuff on my wish list that they have not restocked, and it's been a year. So yeah, I was so happy when I got this one. But she's so pretty. Let me bring it down again. Sorry about the glare. But she's so stinking pretty. She's gonna be beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Very clear. Everything is so clear. Let me bring you back up some. Oh my gosh. Alright, so yeah, these are my favorite colors. These are the colors that I gravitate to anytime I buy clothes. Anything is black, purple, silver, and teal. Or turquoise, whatever you want. So there are, well, you know what? Look, I'm getting too excited. Let's look at the toolkit. Alright. I need to slow down. Alright, so you get the clear wax in this one. I got a putty pen. You get some baggies. You get a tray. Has the stopper in there. You've got a 7-placer and then a thing of heart wax. And yeah, the 4 placers on the end of the putty pen. So there's the toolkit. I kind of get the, oh my god, everybody has seen the toolkit, but there are people out there it's never diamond painted, or this might be the first time they've ever seen one. So alright, so here is the little tips and tricks and all that, the little thank you. And then here is the trading card, which is a bronze, which doesn't matter to me. I don't purchase enough from Diamond Art Club to even use these, but I collect these cards. I love these cards. So here is your sticker sheet. So it has 42 colors, and so we're gonna have like a well, here's the colors anyway, and then it's got your picture with your start date, end date, and all your info. I'm just looking at these to see. I don't see anything different as in symbol wise. It is 1 through 5, and then the dot, and then the 7 and 8, and then we just have a mix of everything. So there's that. And let's look at these real quick. I'm not going to go through all of them. Well, I guess I will. Okay, yeah. I'll just kind of go through them. Look at that. And I say look at it because when I go to put these back in here, they're not going to look anything like that. But it looks like a great, big, pretty cake. Okay. Alright. So, again, these are squares. And these colors are so pretty. Oh my goodness. I'm not going to call all of these out. Look at that. Look at that. That teal. It looks blue in the camera, but it's a real pretty teal. 2 bags of 807. Here's a little chain. Alright, so here is 211 AB. Not very many in there. Not very many at all. And then here's some crystals. L3607. Not many of those either. Alright. Hold up. I'm going to have to move some stuff around so I sit down. Because this is killing my back. Alright. Hope y'all can see. Maybe I need to bring y'all down a little bit so I can see what y'all see. Alright, so 2 bags of 208. Alright, so there's 2 bags of these, which are the fairy dust. This is 3607. Oh my goodness, those are pretty. I used to not be a fairy dust fan, but I'm starting to like them. There's 2 bags of 553. Alright, here's an AB, which is 3846. And then we have 2 bags of Fairy Dust 310, which I'm not crazy about 310 Fairy Dust because they almost just kind of blend in. But hey, hopefully it'll look good. And there are 3 bags of 5200. And then there's 3837. And we have 3765. There is a lot. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bags of 3765. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 bags of just your everyday 310s. So 13 regular bags of 310 and then 2 bags of the 310 fairy dust. So I'm not going to go through and point out where the fairy dust and everything goes because I like to be surprised when I go and do the canvas when I'm doing them. But hold on, let me put these together. Okay, whew, that took me forever, and again, they're never going to go back in the way they came out, but I did the best that I could. So, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful color palette, and yeah, so freaking pretty. So you can see, you've got the Puppet Master, you've got the puppet over here, you can see the strings. Hope y'all can see that. Yeah. And then you've got this girl here. I don't know what their names are, but I know that they're listed on Myka Jelina's Etsy shop. She's got pictures of all of her girls, and they all have names. So, yeah, I might have to go look and see and then put it in my description box. That way you can see what their names are. But the canvas is called Charmed. And then you've got the picture of the girl over here. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. You got the box here with all the things in it. She's gorgeous. She's going to be gorgeous when she's completed. Now, when to do this one? I don't know. I've got 3 whips already going. So, I don't know when I'm going to get to this one. But it will be soon. It will be soon. So, alright. Well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Leave me a comment in the bottom. Let me know what canvas did you get on the anniversary drop, if you were able to purchase or wanted to purchase or whatever. Look, y'all, I was just lucky that I was able to get this one. Like I said, I don't purchase enough from Diamond Art Club. But if it's a Myka Jelina, I usually try. Not always get one, but I usually try. So yeah. She's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright, so thank you for watching, and until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.